Hello, everybody. Mikey here, producer and director of Jamaica Story, a documentary talking about the importance of Jamaicans worldwide and those who love Jamaica investing time as well as money into the country to continue its growth and development. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard the story of the elderly gentleman who recently died in the airport. What puzzles me is the fact that an airport who services thousands of customers a day and has hundreds, if not thousands, of employees doesn't have a standby ambulance or a contract that guarantees an ambulance is close by to provide medical transportation in case of an emergency. Mitigation, the process of reducing the harmful effects of something that has happened or could happen. It can involve actions taken to reduce the impacts of a disaster or to manage harmful incidents that have already occurred. I'm sure many of you heard this story of this elderly gentleman and just thought, what? That can really happen? It is alleged that the man passed out and hit his head and was there until he died. It is said that there was no government ambulance ready to take him to the hospital, and the private company refused to come until the 400 US dollars was approved. I'm not blaming the airport or the government for anything more than not having medical transportation at the airport. We are all human. We can't control whether a person lives or dies. But the fact that the man allegedly laid there on the floor for an extended period of time in a medical emergency and was denied transport for $400, that's unacceptable. My party promoters, please chime in. If you're throwing an event and a certain amount of people, I think it's 1,000 or more, are going to be in attendance at your event, it is required that you have an ambulance standby. So why wouldn't an international airport during record-breaking tourism visits be required the same as a party promoter with a fraction of the population to take care of? Jamaica needs to work on an effective mitigation team and stop with the if it ain't broke, don't fix it mentality.